I agree. But whom does he refer to? Because those in power would also apply to those in the church. If you use the pulpit for bullying people, then it's the same. If the message is in a generic or general term, then I agree. You cannot be using power to bully or to coerce people. The president is against that too.
Does the president, or do you think the president feels alluded to by that comment, sir?
No, because he doesn't bully people.
What does he do, sir?
He expresses his sentiment on a particular matter, situation. He expresses dislike, and he explains it. He threatens criminals, yes, to make them feel threatened and stop doing their criminal acts.